Are you into digital marketing and struggling to get clients? Let me give you a recent survey which has been done by one of the most top institutes of digital marketing, that each quarter digital marketing is becoming the next big thing, and more people are joining. And the biggest problem here is that everyone today know how to run a Facebook ad. The business owners which you are running after, they themselves have learned how to run a Facebook ads and they won't hire you again. To all the marketers who are in the market, the biggest problem they face is the low, cheap competition. If you are quoting someone 50,000, someone will quote 5,000. And the client will always go with the low quoting pricing, irrespective of some clients who give a better value to quality than quantity. That's different. Now, what's the solution to this? Hey, my name is Anurag Das. I've been featured in Digital Deepak, I've been featured in Hindustan Times, I've been featured in hashtag for my funnel building activities. My name in the market is called the Funnel Boy, whose goal is to help people build funnels and change their lives by helping them to earn a consistent flow of clients or land them into a high-paying job through the Funnel 11 framework. Now, what's Funnel 11? Funnel 11 is a step-by-step framework in which I make you go through various steps. Number one, how to find a high-paying niche. Second, how to plan an easy value ladder. Third, how to help through your hook, story, offer, how to grab the attention. Fourth, how to build the whole system. Fifth, how to build that irresistible offer which will help the client to pay you. Sixth, how to package this and sell funnel as a service. Seventh, how to find the international clients. Eighth, how to convince them to take your service. Ninth, how to scale this whole system and make it into a full automation. 10th, how to plan the system and outsource the projects. 11th, how to invest in ads and automate the things to get a whole bunch of clients, or how to land into a high paying job. This total framework 11 step I am ready to give to you for absolutely free. There is no catch. The reason behind I'm giving it here is for free is that I want to give back to the society. I started with nothing and now I want to give something. Let me make one thing very clear to you. In this 60-minute webinar, there is no mid-ticket or high-ticket sales pitch. So you are absolutely free about that. It's going to be a value webinar. Not only you, 1100 plus students have taken it and they all love this Funnel 11 framework. Now it's your choice. You want to join this for free, or after 1 month when I turn into this a paid webinar, you want to join that. It's your call, my friend. I would love to see you on the webinar. More than your friends have registered and already in the webinar. I want to see you right on the webinar. Let's make it a big day in your life, and let me reveal you the Funnel 11 framework which will help you to land into a high-paying job or land your high-paying international client and not depend on the 10,000 or 20,000 paycheck. Let's do it. Let's meet on the webinar. Let me see you on the other side, my friend. Thank you. Take care.